Okay, the level 6 part is to record the chord progression. Okay, this isn't too tricky. It's just kind of getting it done. Because if we go to the beginning, we can see some block chords. You play 3 notes and they hold for 4 beats. Then you play that same chord 4 times. Okay, now these are all major chords, which means the gaps between the chords are the same. So for this one, I'm going to show you a way to do this without actually having to record the different chords. I'm going to show you how to just copy and paste. So we'll do the first chord. So octave 3, C, E, G, which is Z, C, B. So let's do that first chord. So we want to add a new track. And let's just go for piano. Chords. This is chords. We want to be on octave 3. You could do octave 4 as well. I'm going to go with octave 3. Z, C, B, and just hold it for 4 notes. So hit record, make sure your metronome's on. Hit record, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That's it. Double click on it and quantize. Control A, Q. Okay, now I want that chord 4 times. So just Control C. I mean, you could even loop it if you wanted to, but I prefer to copy and paste 4 times. Next line, I want F, A, C. Now I said that the notes are the same interval. So instead of recording F, A, C, which of course you can do, I'm going to paste the C chord again and double click to go into our MIDI region. So this is a C chord, C, E, and G. It's called a C chord because the first note is C. This chord is an F chord. The first note is F. So all I need to do is move that bottom note, highlight all 3 notes together, and then I'm going to drag the bottom note up to F. And now I've got F, A, and C. And that's done. So FAC twice. So this is FAC. I'm going to copy that and paste that. What you could also do to help you is you could label the chords as well. Double click and label them. So maybe if I'd done this at the beginning, that might have saved me a bit of time and helped me. Okay, so there's my C chords. So I've got 2 FAC chords, then I want 2 CEG chords. So I'm going to click on the CEG chord, copy it, and then paste it because my playhead's already there, 2 of those. Okay, so now if we listen to what we've got so far, C, 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 G, C, G, F, C, F, C, C, G, C, G. Okay, then last line, we've got G, B, D. So I'm going to take an FAC chord, copy it, and paste it. And then paste it again. So I want GBD then FAC. At the moment I've got FAC, FAC. So this one I want to change it to GBD. So I'm going to double click on this one. And this is bar 9. So bar 9 is this chord here, this F chord. I want it to be a G chord. So I'm going to click on that bottom note, which is an F. And drag it up to a G. So now it's GBD. Okay, GBD, F, A, C. I'm going to make sure I rename that as well so I don't get confused. Okay, so GBD, F, A, C, C, E, G, and finally GBD. Copy, paste. And now I have a 12 bar blues. And I'm just going to speed it up to save time so you can hear how it goes. There we go.